Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 28th Jan 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 18 points up move at the level of 10,812. US markets have done great for itself on Friday, 183 points up on Dow Jones, Nasdaq up by 91 points and S&P up by 22 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have been going up and down, and now the range has increased a bit from the level of 11,000, now going back again downwards. So if the market does not hold this 50-day moving average at 10,780, then the market will suffer one more downfall towards the level of 10,672 levels. Write this down. This is the level where the market is actually standing between 11,000 to 10,672. What are the supports we have to watch out for? Of course, 10,780, which is the 50-day moving average, is a very strong support for the market. We are below the 200-day moving average. We are below the 10-day moving average, 21-day moving average. And now at the level of 50-day moving average, if we cross this below, that is 10,780 levels, then the supports we have to watch out for are 10,750, 10,707, 10,672. If 10,672 is barred, the next level we have to watch out for is 10,650, 10,600 of course, and 10,563 levels. So those are the levels we have to watch out for. If the market has to go upwards, what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The level of 10,800 itself is a very strong resistance. The level of 10,832, 10,850, 10,880, 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950, 11,000, 11,050, 11,088 levels. Those are the levels we had to watch out for as resistances in the market. And fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are showing that we are not in an overbought zone. We may see the market going upwards from here onwards. However, we are not in the oversold zone as well. We can go downwards as well. So the MACD is actually showing there is a drop in momentum. Momentum is towards down, and the market may go down from here onwards. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. There was a mishap on Saturday that I had to conduct the non-directional trading strategy. The office space which I've hired, that was totally closed because of Republic Day, and that was a mandatory leave. And so did it happen that I went and I had all my students over there, and I had to postpone it to this weekend, that is 2nd February and 3rd. So 2nd and 3rd there is non-directional trading strategies workshop happening. That is a 2-day workshop where you'll be taught how to make 3 to 15% consistent return with an investment of around 2.5 lakh rupees. And you can very easily make those returns with just 15 minutes of trading each day. These strategies you will learn over there, 5 trading strategies for different types of market. If there is a market upturn, downturn, sideways movement, high volatility, low volatility, there are different strategies for that. You will know exactly what to implement, and you will be the master in making money on a monthly basis. The losses are only about 3% of the times. 97% you have a win rate or win chance of taking the profits home. Click on the first link in the description below for the information which is happening in 91 Springboards Residency Road, and go to webinar. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.